Hello students, welcome to the next class of economics. We are doing the revision of chapter 1, the story of village Palampur. In this I have given you a series of questions which you have to complete in the homework and you have to send that in the Google Classroom. So today, as I said, I have posted the answers of those MCQs I have given in homework, and here today I'll discuss with you all about these questions and their answers. So in this chapter 1 of economics, the story of village Palampur, you can see on your screens the very first question is which of the following is grown in the rainy season? There are four options are given: jowar and bajra, wheat, soybean and rice. So the correct option in this is, the answers are very right side, very first you can see, like here are answers also given. So you are watching them on your right side. The answer, question number 1, the answer is option A. So in this question, your answer is jowar and bajra. Jowar and bajra is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the question number 2. Which of the following is a rabi crop? Again we have the option wheat, rice, C cotton, D jowar and bajra. So the right option again is option A in the question number 2, that is wheat. Which of the following is a rabi crop? That is wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop. You got the answer. Question number 3 is, which I have given, that was which of the following is a fixed capital? Tools and machines, fertilizers and pesticides, soil, and option D is the seed. So the right option is tools and machines are the fixed capital. Why they are fixed capital? Because they can use for several years, and uh, they can use again and again, and they cost high prices. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. The next is your question number 4. I am reading it for you. Which of the following is a standard unit of measurement of land? So we have option A bigha, option B hectare, option C acre, and option D guintha. And if we'll go through the document of the revenue department, so you will get the land measurement in the hectare. So here in question number 4, the right option is hectare. Let's see the next question. Number 5. The minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is rupees 50, rupees 60, rupees 70, rupees 80. Question number 5. So you can see here the answer is your B, rupees 60. But the point to be noted that this is correct as per the scenario when that book was written, like 10 years back when the book was published, then it was decided by the government. But nowadays the minimum wage rate has increased. It is more than 60 rupees nowadays. Question number 6 is money in hand is an example of option A human capital, option B fixed capital, option C working capital, option D physical capital. So what it is showing, money in hand is an example of what? It is example of working capital. Exactly. The option C is the correct option. So the right answer is option C. Money in hand is the right option. Okay. So let's see the next question. The next question is your question number 7. HYV seat stands for. HYV seat stands for what? So there are four options given in question number 7. Heavy yielding variety seeds, option B. High yielding variety seeds, option C. Half yielding variety seeds, and option D is none. So we all are knowing the full form of HYV seeds. The answer is your high yielding variety seeds, that is option B. Okay, take this in the copy if you have not done it yet. The next is your question number 8, and the question number 8 is, what is the main production activity in village Palampur? We all are aware कि where the majority of the peoples were working in the village Palampur. We have gone through the reading of the chapter twice or thrice, I can say. So the right option is option A, and this is common sense कि in the village the primary activity या majority of peoples are doing the farming. So similarly in the village Palampur, most of the people were working in the farming. Okay, question number 9. Multiple cropping means growing only two crops, only three crops, up to four crops, and more than one crops. We have A, B, C, and D four options, and the right option is the more than one crop on a piece of land is known as the multiple cropping. This is a one liner answer for this term multiple cropping. The option D is the right answer. The next question is number 10. Land under cultivation in million hectares in India in the year 2000 was. This is a statistical data and you need to remember it. Like this is now in your this question. So 120, 130, 140 and 150. We have four options and answer number T is correct option is option number C 140. 140 million hectare land is in India is cultivable. Now question number 11. Which area in India has a low level of irrigation? We have options: Deccan Plateau, Coastal region, Riverine plains, both A and B. The areas where there is less irrigation facility is available. So option number A is correct. Deccan Plateau as having the low level of irrigation. Okay. Question number 12 is modern farming methods were tried in India for the first time in where? Which states? We have the option Punjab, option A, option B Western UP, option C Haryana, and option D all of the above. It is very similar कि where the first time HYV seeds and modern farming methods are used, and the right answer of this is कि all these states we have used option D all of the above in this answer of while answering this question. So option D is the right answer. Modern farming machineries first used in Punjab, Haryana and UP and the Haryana. Question number 13 is asking which of the following is a modern farming method? So the modern farming, it is giving us the option multiple cropping, use of HYV seeds, use of chemical fertilizers, and D is both B and C. So here in answer number 13, option D is correct. HYV seeds usage and chemical fertilizers usage is the sign of the modern farming. Multiple cropping is not a modern farming because before the launch of these HYV seeds, fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides, and the modern farm machineries, earlier also peoples were doing the multiple cropping. Okay. Production of pulses in million tons in India during 2000-2001 was how much it was? So again, it is a data you need to remember. The that was in million tons, 10 million tons, 11 million tons, 14 million tons, and 12 million tons. So the right answer for this question is 11 million tons. Question number 15 is asking which one is the natural resource. Very good answer. A very good question. Very good question. We all are knowing the term resources. So four options are there: labor, raw material, minerals, and D none of the above. I think you all raise your hand for answering. The right answer is option C, mineral, because we are getting them free of cost from the nature. In nature they are available. Minerals are. Okay. The next is question number 16. High yielding variety seed HYV are introduced to Indian farmer as a result of what? What happened? So the advent of these seeds came in India: white revolution, green revolution, IT revolution, or none of the above. So important is कि what uh, the strategy which is related to the farming or increase in the production of the specifically food grains. So which of the policy, which of the revolution was related to it? The green revolution. So the correct answer is green revolution, option number B in question number 16. Now the question number 17 is saying which kharif crop is used for cattle feed? Option A sugarcane, B potato, C jowar and bajra, and D wheat. Kharif crop we are discussing here, and kharif crop is jowar and bajra, and it is used for द कैटल फीड, चारे की तरह यूज़ होती है एज अ फॉर्डर ऑफ द कैटल्स. Question number 18 is asking the activities such as small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping are referred to as what? What are these activities? We have the option and we are having the sense of identifying them. First is saying non-economic activities. नहीं, गलत है. इन सब से एक इनकम आती है. नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़, ओके, वी हैव द ऑप्शन. नॉन ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटीज़, वी हैव नॉट स्टडी सच एनी एक्टिविटी जो नॉन ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटी हो. और नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़, नहीं, ये सारी मार्केट में हो रही हैं. शॉपकीपिंग मार्केटिंग है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ये सब मार्केटिंग के लिए होता है. सो आउट ऑफ देम द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज दीज ऑल आर द नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी. Question number 19 is high yielding varieties HYV seeds are developed in where they are developed by Krishi Bharati cooperatives, option C. Option A, research institutes. Option B, factories. Option D, none of the above. So where these are developed? These are developed in the research institutes. Now the question number 20 is the concept of white revolution is associated with what? Food crops, milk, cotton, or pesticides. So the correct answer is B, milk. So students, hope you have enjoyed this class, and I got only 9 PDFs and the deadline was 14th for sending the answers. Now you all are having the answer sheet also. In this video I have shown, like till the 20th, number 20th, I have discussed the answer, like 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18 19 and 20. I have discussed till that point all the questions I have given in the homework. Now your part is to solve them and the remaining ones, like total 40 questions are there in this PDF. Okay, and prepare for examinations and tests are also going to start. So prepare for both of them, and see you in the next class, friends. All the best.